has a really cool design on it. It's gray. It's got that ergonomic grip, really non-slip handle, very lightweight, really cool, very masculine looking. Right here you're going to have an LED display, power buttons right here. Here's that T-blade, comes with a guard already on it, so you just take that off. To turn it on, super simple, you just press this button here. LED display comes on, tells you exactly what the battery's at, so it's at 99 right now. Super cool. Down here on the bottom is the charging port. So as you can tell, super precise, very high quality, very durable. 10 out of 10. Again, this is the LURNOFY men's hair clipper. 10 out of 10. Go get it today.